everyone. My name is Valencia Iskia. I'm nurse, and then my friend.
My name is Orpa Kilikili. I am patient.
Good morning, Mrs. Orpa. How are you feeling today?
Good morning. I am feeling alright, thank you.
That's good to hear. I'm going to take your vital signs. Now, this will just take a few minutes.
Sure, go, I have.
Excuse me, Mrs. Orpa. But first, I'll take your temperature. Your temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This is normal. Next, take your blood pressure. Please roll up your sleeve and relax your arm. Your blood pressure is 128, which is within the normal range. I'll measure your pulse. Please stay still for a moment. Your pulse is 72 beats per minute, which is also normal. Finally, I'll measure your oxygen saturation, so I can place this sensor on it. Your oxygen saturation is 98%, which is good. Let me quality update your health records with these readings. Mrs. Orpa, your vital signs are looking good today. Do you have any question or queries about your health?
No, everything seems fine, thank you.
Welcome. If you need anything or if anything changes, please let me know.
I will, thanks again.
Love you down.